Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza empanadas. First, let's get our dough ready. You can use your favorite homemade pizza dough recipe or grab some pre-made dough from the store for a quick start. Roll out the dough to a thickness of about 1/8 inch, which is roughly 3 millimeters. Then, use a 4-inch or 10 centimeter round cutter to create your empanada discs. This ensures each empanada is a perfect, bite-sized treat. Now for the delicious filling. In a bowl, mix together about 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese with 1/2 cup of your favorite marinara sauce. Feel free to customize with your preferred pizza toppings. Think mini pepperoni, crumbled cooked sausage, or finely diced bell peppers. Spoon 1 to 2 tablespoons of this flavorful mixture onto 1/2 of each dough circle, leaving a small border around the edge for sealing. Next, let's seal these little pockets of joy. Lightly moisten the edges of your dough circles with a bit of water or an egg wash. This helps create a strong seal. Carefully fold the dough over the filling, forming a perfect half-moon shape. Then, use a fork to firmly crimp the edges all around. This not only seals the empanada securely, but also adds a lovely decorative touch, ensuring your delicious filling stays right where it belongs. Finally, it's time to bake our pizza empanadas. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 190 degrees Celsius. Arrange the empanadas on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each one. Bake them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown and the cheese inside is wonderfully bubbly. Serve them warm and enjoy your homemade pizza empanadas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.